In this video, I will tell you complete tutorial of green screen effect. That is how to change green screen background in your YouTube video. So now you can see the green screen background in this video, and now it has changed. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can remove it or change it with the help of chroma key in Flimora 9 video editing software. So my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Milind's Perception. So let's get started. So you can see once again the background of my video, that is a green, and now it has changed. So it is the effect of chroma key. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make or change or remove the background with the help of chroma key. Chroma key helps us to remove the green screen background, and you can add a different kind of background here. So it is a good thing, a good choice to buy a green screen, and you can buy it from both Amazon and Flipkart. I have also bought it from Flipkart, and you can buy it for just under 500 rupees. And I have bought it from Flipkart and I have made an unboxing video. So please check out the I button here in that video. Please watch it, that unboxing video. And again, I have put the link of this unboxing video of green screen from Flipkart in the description below. And you can also buy the background green screen backdrop by clicking the link of purchase of Flipkart in the description. The green screen gives us a lot of options. You can play video clips in the background. You can also play a footage in the background. And if you are making a video on a motivational speech, or if you want to make an educational video, so you can use green screen effect with the chroma key to enhance the quality of your video. So green screen effects actually gives you, or actually it enhances the video quality of your video. It also boosts the user interface experiences, and in this way it gives us a professional video, and therefore a lot of viewers attract towards your video. So this is not necessary that you should make green screen effects like movie makers, and for that you need a lot of money. But without spending a lot of money, you just spend until up to 500 rupee and you can buy a green screen, and in this way you can make your video a quality video that is very important, and it makes a professional, so the people or viewer will attract to your video, and if they like your video they will convert into your subscribers. So here you can see that a lot of bigger YouTubers or motivational YouTubers, they often shoot their video with the green screen. So all the bigger YouTuber or those YouTuber who makes video on motivational YouTubers, they also shoot with the green screen. So as I have told you that it is not necessary to go like movie makers, but the green screen backdrop is one of the cheapest solution to make a professional video. And in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can use chroma key to remove the green screen and add a different background, different video clips and footage in your video with the help of Flimora 9 video editing software. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the computer screen where I'm going to tell you that how you can do that. So friends, when you open the Flimora 9 application, you can see this kind of surface, and here is the plus sign where you can import the file. And here is also another option where you can click and import the file. So here I'm going to import a file by clicking this button. So you can use both this or that button also. So after opening these, it opens your files of your computer, and then you have to select your video clips, which video clips you want to edit. So here I'm selecting this video, and again the background, dark background for my video, because I am going to put that background, and I will remove this green screen background. So just simply you have to click on OK button. So after that it get imported here, and then it asks whether you want to good quality or bad quality. So you have to click on that. Then you have to click the video and you have to drag and in. So here I have selected to the file, so therefore I have again added another video track, and you have to put your video in the second track. And then it asks you to match the quality, so I have made it HD quality. And then you have to click on the background image which you want to put on your background. So simply you have to drag that image on your background and you have to trace it, and you have to adjust it with the size of your video. So after that we have to click on the video and right click, and then click on the green screen, and where you get this kind of option. So here you can also get the color and take that pen and click on the picture and just right click here, and then the picture will be removed. And there are another options also. Here you can see that outlet, tolerance, these are the options where you can adjust them. So here you can see I would like to play the video, and I will adjust the edges edges, outlet and the tolerance, and then you can see that how it looks. So you have to adjust it with the better quality, and you have to put it how it look, and then you have to click on the OK button. And again you can play the video and you can see whether it is perfect or what. So here I have mute the audio of the video. So again I am adjusting that where it looks better. So after the adjustment you have to simply click on the OK button. So again if you think that the setting is not good, then again I am repeating the process that you have to click on video, right click it, and then you have to choose the green screen, and after that you can see these are the options again, and again you can adjust it as you want. So now I am also making adjustment, so it should look perfect. And again you can play the video and see whether what is the adjustment you have done, are those are okay or not. So after that you have to simply click on the export button, and then you can choose the different kind of files category. Then you have to write down the file name, and then you have to click, and you also choose the folder where you want to save that file, and then simply you have to click on the export. So friends, I think you understand how you can remove or change the background with the help of chroma key in Flimora 9 video editing software. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and please share to your friends, and also like it, because your like supports me, your likes motivate me to make such kind of videos again and again. So thank you for watching.